Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will talk about how you can hide and unhide apps on and hold any app which you want to hide and tap on require Face ID. As you can see, here is shown as pop-up. If you want to tap on hide and require face, it will take your verification. Tap on hide app. Swipe to the last window of iPhone, and as you can see, here is the hidden folder. Tap on hidden folder. Just press on this app, and here you can see don't require Face ID. Tap on this option, and this is how you can